Ever wondered how to make a breakfast feast that excites your taste buds? A meal that not only fills your stomach but also delights your senses? Today we're diving into a culinary adventure that will transform your morning meals from ordinary to extraordinary. Our breakfast feast revolves around 3 Epicurean stars: a fluffy, savory spinach and feta frittata, a sweet and tangy mixed berry compote served over creamy Greek yogurt, and a stack of golden brown buttermilk pancakes. We'll begin with our frittata, a dish that originated from Italy and is similar to an omelette. You'll need a dozen eggs, a cup of fresh spinach, half a cup of crumbled feta cheese, and a quarter cup of diced onions. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. While the oven heats up, whisk your eggs in a large bowl until they're well mixed. Add your spinach, feta, and onions to the eggs, stirring until they're evenly distributed. Pour the mixture into a greased baking dish and bake for 25 minutes or until the eggs are set and the feta is slightly golden. While the frittata bakes, we'll move on to the mixed berry compote. For this, you'll need 2 cups of mixed berries, half a cup of sugar, and the juice of 1 lemon. Combine all the ingredients in a saucepan and simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the berries are soft and the sauce is thickened. Serve this fruity delight over a bowl of Greek yogurt for a refreshing and tangy contrast. Finally, for our buttermilk pancakes, gather 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of buttermilk, 2 eggs, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Combine the dry ingredients in one bowl and the wet ingredients in another. Slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry, stirring just until combined. Pour quarter-cup portions onto a hot griddle and cook until bubbles form on the surface. Then flip and cook until the other side is golden brown. To summarize, our breakfast feast is a combination of savory, sweet, and tangy flavors designed to excite your taste buds. The spinach and feta frittata brings a hearty, savory element. The mixed berry compote adds a sweet and tangy contrast, and the buttermilk pancakes provide a comforting, familiar base. Each dish is relatively simple to prepare, but together they create a breakfast experience that's anything but ordinary. So why settle for a mundane morning meal when you can indulge in a breakfast feast that delights your senses and starts your day off on a delicious note? It's time to elevate your morning routine and redefine what breakfast can be. Bon appétit!